Hey, good morning. Hey, gorgeous day today. Sunny, it's good. Hope things dry. Okay, back into this bedroom project. Tried to finish the ceiling frames. Okay, before putting the last three pieces there across, I'm gonna have a look and see how we're going to attach those bits to the roof truss. Okay, I got a lot of leftover with this, but this is lighter, maybe better. I got a full length here, so I'm gonna cut that into pieces. I'll show you how I do. You follow me everywhere. The only things I need to level up a bit here. It's not quite right. It's too low. There's the support channel, which I need to cut to length and put on position on the roof truss, align with the roof truss. We do this after lunch. Oh, potato with white sauce, I love that. Healthy tomato and fish. That's it. After a quick nap, just had a little coffee in the veranda. It's so hot, but here it's nice and cool. And we're getting back to work soon. Blue sky. So very, very hot. That's okay. Things need to dry. Haven't picked up that tree yet. Lighter. Okay, the clips. Yeah, the clips I bought. Interesting. Those one I bought in two goes in two different shops because I didn't have enough. But if I get this one here on the old piece that I had at home before, and that fits nicely, beautiful, no problem. But it won't fit easily on this one here. But this one looks different. It fits nicely on the one I already fit in the ceiling. See? No problem. Fits very well. So I need to buy more of these with this kind of shape. Okay, first one done. Actually, I'm surprised how strong this is, you know, but I need to put another one of those in here, but later. It's hard work. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this. I need to get it on top of the table because my ladder is not stable. Not stable when I open up. Against the wall is okay, but opened up, that's it. Very wobbly. So I need to find a way. Yeah, this one missed me. I must walk on you. Yeah, it's not straight. I need to do something about it. I can correct it. I can take it off and put a quarter of an inch or so to the right. That's okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to bring that big table I've got in the veranda, bring it here, so it'll be much easier to work on. And then we would just finish one side, one end with the HardieFlex, everything, and then we push the table on the other side. Push the wardrobe somewhere. Okay, looks like it's working. Okay, one more done. We had a few sprinkles, but it's okay. Hello. Bella hungry? You're waiting for something. Bella waiting for the eggs. She's gonna eat egg and fish. Excellent. I already have my little snack, an apple and watermelon. Oh, Bella never stops. She's so active. Oh, there's water in the oil. That's nice dinner. That's healthy. Okay, enjoy your dinner. You too, enjoy your dinner. Okay, good morning. After a terrible tropical storm last night, weather a bit better now. And I hope it stays like that, because after lunch we're going to the mountain farm. We have a couple of birthday celebration there. So let's go and get ready. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.